are going to Vegas to get that's stupid.
For the stars, watch Game of Thrones. Bitches on the phone telling me she home alone. Motherfucker, future countdown till I die. Days roll by, I just wanna get high. Never ever sober, need drugs, my composure. Looking like I'm dying, laying back on the sofa. 6 feet deep.
What's up, everyone? So, we're going to Vegas to get married. How about that? That's crazy. I don't know why I'm acting like that. I think I'm just overly excited. I'm taking the animals to friends to watch, and then, yeah, we gotta get up fairly early in the morning to, get on the plane and go. So, don't know if I'm putting this in the video or not, so we'll see. Are you my driving buddy now? Huh? Are you scared of the camera? You're not scared of the camera. You're my driver.
I'm not really fucked. I never get that fucked up. I'm not so That's really bad.
Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. I'm good on the side, it's alright. Just hold me in the dark. No one's gotta know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored. Cause I live down the street, so we meet when you need and it's yours. All I is, and nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. I'm not. We don't gotta hide. This is what you like, gotta make. Nothing feels better than this. Say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's around, you keep my hand around your neck. We connect. Are you feeling it now? Cause I am. I got so hotter than that. I swear to God, from my feet and lift the ground. Oh yeah, you're back against the wall. This is all we've been talking about in my head.
Sure, come on, let's take a picture with the lion. Picture?
Wait, I gotta wait for him to look.
You're right.
What are you throwing to him?
This is ground horse meat. This is their diet that they get each day, so we feed him out.
15 feet right now. Are you ready to paint? When he's full grown, he'll be between 18 and 20 feet. Beautiful. Now, Ozzy is a strict vegetarian, so he likes to eat all kinds of vegetation. However, if our hands smell even slightly like meat from feeding the cats, he won't even look at us. And if they start moving, all of the other animals know that they better start moving as well. All right.
Okay, so this is our view from the hotel, and we went to a couple different places last night. So we went to, where did we go? We went to Fremont Street. We went to the Lion Ranch. That was pretty cool. And then we just kind of walked around quite a bit around Fremont, and we rode the Deuce bus for like an hour because they stop every 4 seconds. But today we're gonna do a couple more things and go get our marriage license, and then tomorrow is when we're actually gonna get married in a helicopter, which you'll see in the video. All right?
Nothing feels better. They say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's around, you keep my hand around your neck. We connect. Are you feeling it now? 'Cause I am. I got so hotter than that. I swear to God, from my feet and lift the ground. Oh yeah, you're back against the wall. This is all we've been talking about in my ears. And nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.
I'm tired. So we are just relaxing for a couple of minutes. We went back to Fremont Street, and then we also went to go get our marriage license, and then we walked around a couple different hotels like the Venetian, Circus, and a couple other things. And we just walked around a little bit, and now we're about to go eat at Gordon Ramsay Burger, and I don't know what we're going to do after that. I don't know if we're going to come back here and relax or if we're going to go walking some more. I think we might go to the Shark Reef. I'm not sure.
Nothing feels better. I'm not. We don't gotta hide. This is what you like, gotta admit. Nothing feels better. Left, right. Take you back from your side to side. Like that. No, left, right. Take you back from your side to side.
So, last night we went to, where did we go last night? Last night we ate at the Gordon Ramsay burger place. I got the hog burger. It was really, really good. And this evening is when we're actually going to get married. And right now we're just looking around at some more hotels and just kind of walking around and exploring. Everything's been really cool so
Nothing
far.
feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. No. We don't gotta lie. Nothing feels better than
Wow. I mean, I rode in one when I was young, but I don't remember.
So here we are at the airport. How are you guys feeling?
Scared.
We're about to go up in the air at the helicopter.
She's asking.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Okay.
deserve a round of applause. I'll do anything like you my boss. You don't have to try, you got the sauce. Everything come natural, yeah, everything come natural. You don't even know what you got. You're sitting on the #1 spot. Every time you go, I'm feeling lost. I miss you, babe, I miss you, babe. You and me forever, be my lady. Always down to ride when it get crazy. I'm falling for you lately. Can I get a round of applause for my baby? Can I get a round of applause? You're my everything, you're my everything. Need you in my life, babe, forever be my wife. You're my everything, you're my everything. Need you in my life, babe, forever be my wife. Ups and downs, they gon' come. Swear I'm down to 5 for this real love. You don't have to wonder if I love her, if I don't. It's so obvious, cause actions flow from what I wrote. Coming from my heart, cutting off all the lanes. Know you gon' do the same, everything out the way. I'ma always pray, broken heart many times. Now I see the light, don't know why it's blind. Now I see the light, oh. Got my heart racing fast, I got my blow. I just wanna scoop you up so we can go all around the world so I can let them know. You and me forever, be my lady. Always down to ride when it get crazy. I'm falling for you lately. Can I get a round of applause for my baby? Can I get a round of applause? You're my everything, you're my everything. Need you in my life, babe, forever be my wife. You're my everything, you're my everything. Need you in my life, babe, forever be my wife. If you wanna see me come here, you know love will always take away fear. Take my heart away if you want it. Oh baby, my heart
it
is
has
yours.
sunrise? That's cool.
6:22. What time is it? The sunset.
Yeah, that's what Google said.
Okay.
So we are at the Grand Canyon. We are at the Yavapai Lodge. We are going to, well, we were gonna come and hike, but all the trails and stuff are really iced and snowed over, and we've got 5 people with us, so it's not really feasible to do that. So we're just gonna drive around and then go watch the sunset and then possibly the sunrise in the morning to just try and enjoy as much of the Grand Canyon as we can. So, and then we go home tomorrow.
Oh baby, if you wanna see me come here, you know love will always take away fear. Take my heart away if you want it. Oh baby, my heart is yours if you want it. Oh baby, when I go, baby, take my heart away if you want it. My heart is yours if you want it. When I go, baby, take my heart